Alright guys, so this is the same, I guess rocks that I used for my SCX24 video. But as you already know, I didn't have any weights on it. I was just testing the motor pretty much to see the strength. But needless to say, it didn't really do too well on these rocks. It's just, this is really not designed for a scale crawler. This is extremely difficult to crawl over. Just too big, too far apart, just difficult. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try and see if I can get over it with my Stingray. Wheelbase is a tad bit shorter than what it is with SCX. I'm at 5.25 inches right now, as it is right now. I'm gonna try and make use of that dig function and the different motor speeds and all of that. But let me see if I could actually control all of it, since I'm the one recording too. Went ahead and mounted the dig function right here, so it's just going to be my thumb taking care of it. The way I have it set up is as long as I'm holding the button, the dig function will be on. The moment I let go, the tires start spinning again. So hopefully it won't be so horrible. So let's see. I really want to put this somewhere so that you guys can see the whole thing. Let me see. You can kind of get an idea of where we're going here. If you guys saw the other videos, you know that this was really hard for the SCX to get over. So let's see how it goes with the Stingray. Alright, so far so good. Not much of a challenge because of that extra clearance. Alright, so we're over there. Try to see if we can get over to this side. This one's kind of tricky here because I don't have much to hold on to on the right hand side, so I kind of have to throw him a little bit to the left, which makes him want to flip over, but we'll see how it goes. Maybe if I lock the back wheels, I'll get some kind of action here. Alright, so that worked out. Let's see if we can get over. Come on. Alright, so we're over the big guy. Then see if we can get over to this side here. It's a pretty big fall. Hopefully I won't mess it up. Again, I'm going to try and lock the back wheels just for the heck of it. Okay. There we go. Let him go. Let it kind of crawl his way down. Okay, here we go. There we are. Now we'll just get over this, which should be the easy part. There we go. Alright, now let's try and go the other way around. Show a little bit more of the challenging parts. Alright, so we'll go over here. Hopefully that back wheel will grab. There we go. Come on. Now, if I remember correctly, I needed to use my dig here as well. Let's see if I can position it better. I guess I don't need the dig here. Alright, so come on, let's try to get over that right there. Alright, so now you're just digging in. Alright, here's where you take advantage of the four-wheel steering, hopefully. There we go. Alright, so that worked out. And coming over to this side. Shouldn't be too big of an issue getting over to the other side. So let's go back to having the front wheel steer. Hopefully I won't fall into that hole. Let's go ahead and use that dig again. Okay, we're good. Let go of the dig. Now, SCX will get stuck here because he didn't have enough clearance on the bottom skid. So let's try to get over it with this little guy. Alright, no problems in the middle so far. Come on. Alright, so right now what we're having is a little bit of issue here. Let's do something. That's not what I want you to do. That's cheating. Anyways, it followed a different line than what I wanted him to do. Ah! There we go. Not too bad. Anyways, everything seemed to work well, at least in this small little course. You can see there's big holes in there, which when I'm trying to get over, that wheel tends to go over on that side. And you got that big gap right here. And there's a whole bunch of little spots that it's kind of hard to go over. This here being an issue for a lot of them, I was able to overcome it with this guy, but if you see here, there's not much we can do about the way that the axle is designed. The Stingray does bring everything as far back as possible, but the way the axle is designed, this is the lowest point, and this is what was getting caught here. But with a little bit of playing around with the steering, getting the tires to grip, I was able to get over it. As far as the clearance goes, that's really not an issue. You know, if you're able to get the tire to hold onto it, you'll be able to go over it. But I guess I just wanted to show that this is not the same kind of crawler that you get with something like the SCX24. That's more for like scale builds. This is more of an all-out crawler, so this will go over a lot more difficult terrain. Of course, it's a lot easier when you have somebody else recording, but it is a lot more capable, and you can actually extend it to have something like a 6-inch wheelbase, which is actually better than what I have at 5.25. But I wanted to make it to where it wasn't, you know, it didn't have such a advantage. But if you went with a 6-inch wheelbase, it would actually crawl better than what it's doing now. Anyways, just want to show you guys, and alright, thanks for watching.